So you don't think the math, right? Green. Yeah. Huh? Do math, huh? Actually, I was asked to start again from the light and electricity and all whatever. Shall I start light or electricity or? Huh? Give me the no textbook, math text. Sorry, physics text. This is a new one or old one? That is also old. Same, right? What about you, Hari? Huh? Tomorrow, today we'll do math. Tomorrow we'll do physics. It's okay. I'll. So, like, trigonometry is over for you? Huh? Over, huh? So only the one proof is important. Which change this thing. Oh, that theta, huh? Oh. Did you do the sums? Exercise? Huh? Hari? Ah. Okay, tomorrow you show it to me, okay? Rohit? Yesterday we have seen the trigonometric ratios, right? Tomorrow we'll do physics, okay? So in trigonometry, we deal with only the right angles, right? We don't deal with any other triangle, only right angle. Okay. So let's say this is A. What is A here? Angle of inclination. Okay, inclination. So let's say it's A, B, C. Hari, what's the Pythagoras theorem? You are seeing the screen, no? Huh? See here and tell C square plus BC square. So which is the hypotenuse here? AC. AC. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to Hari. Hypotenuse square is equal to other two sides. Squares of other two sides. Okay, very simple. Hypotenuse square is equal to squares of sum of squares of other two sides, right? So it's equal to C square equal to A square plus B square. So what is sin A here? Hari? Sorry? BC by? So the side opposite. The side opposite the angle A. So this is angle A, right? This is angle A, right? So opposite side is this one, right? So opposite to the 90 will be hypotenuse. So adjacent to the angle will be this one. Okay. So sin A will be BC by, which is the side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse. Oh, okay, okay. So what about cos A? Cos A equal to cos A will be AB by, which is equal to side adjacent to angle A by hypotenuse. Tan A BC by, so equal to side adjacent to angle A. What about cosecant A? Cosecant A equal to 1 by sin A. Okay, cos A equal to secant A equal to 1 by cos A. Cot A equal to, what is the cot full form? Cotangent. What's the tan full form? What is the sin? Sin is a sine. Cos full form? Cosine. Okay. Secant. Sec is secant. Cosec is cosecant. Okay. So what are the properties of similar triangles? Similar triangles. Angles are equal. Okay. Let's say here, if we say that similar triangles, so this is ABC and this is DEF. In order to say that, so similar triangles are shown with this symbol. Okay. In order to say that ABC and DEF are similar triangles, we need to, there are two things to show. Okay, one is these thetas are equal. Anyway, these are, so here, okay. Here only we are considering right angle, right? So 90 is common. So let's say theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4. So it says that theta 1 equal to theta 3, theta 2 equal to theta 4. Or we can say that all the sides are equal. Sides means the consequent ratios are equal, not sides are equal. So here let's say BC by EF equal to AB by ED equal to AC by DF. Understood? The corresponding side ratios of the sides are equal. So here let's say this is A, B, C, and let's take this is DE. Okay. Let's say take as A. What is sin A now? Sin A equal to DE by EA. This is equal to BC by AC. Okay. So here these are two triangles are similar triangles. Here ADE and ABC are similar triangles. Okay. So angle A will be equal. Obviously here it's 90. Here also 90. So obviously this angle will be equal. No? So what is the total? If you sum up all the angles in the triangle, what is the total? 180. Okay. If we sum up here, let's say we take a triangle, any triangle ABC. So if you sum up the angles, A plus B plus C will be angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be 180. So angle will be shown with this symbol, angle A. Okay. So and then finally we have seen one sum where we have shown that sin square A plus cos square equal to 1. Right? Yesterday we have shown that through the sum we have shown, right? We didn't shown by proof, but through the values we have shown that sin A plus cos A, sin square A plus cos square equal to 1. So let's say what is here A, B, C. Okay. So what is sin A here? What is sin A now? BC by cos A will be. What is sin square A? BC square by AC square. Right? Cos A whole square will be, cos square A will be AB square by AC square. So what about sin square A plus cos square A? BC square by AC square plus AB square by AC square. So here in the denominator AC square is common, no? BC square plus AB square. So from Pythagoras theorem, what is BC square plus AB square? AC square. So AC square by AC square equal to 1. Okay. Sin square plus cos square equal to 1. So also we have shown that tan A equal to sin A by cos A, right? We have seen this proof yesterday, right? Tan A equal to sin A by cos A. It's easy only, right? Can you show that tan A equal to sin A by cos A? Show the proof. So first of all, find out sin A, then find out cos A. Divide them, then finally you will get that is equal to. That will cancel out. Right. Very simple, right? Over. Sin A will be BC by AC, cos A will be AB by AC. So AC will be cancelled out. BC by AB, which is equal to tan A. Just help him, hurry. What he's doing, is that right? Sin A cos A. First to find out sin A and then cos A and then divide them. Then that will be equal to tan A. Got it? Hurry. Which is equal to tan A, right? So sin A by cos A equal to tan A. So we know that cot A equal to 1 by tan A. So cos A by sin A. We know that tan A cot A equal to 1 by tan A. So which is equal to cos A by sin A, right? Which is equal to cos A by sin A. So tan A into cot A equal to cot A equal to 1, right? Tan A into cot A equal to sin A into cosecant A equal to 1, right? 1, right? Sin A into cosecant A equal to sin A into 1 by cosecant A is 1 by sin A equal to 1. Okay, write down this. Cos A into secant A equal to cos A into 1 by cos A equal to 1. Tan A into cot A. Tan A into 1 by tan A equal to 1. Clear? So tomorrow we start again light, yeah? We start from again light. So sin A into cosecant A equal to 1, cos A into secant A equal to 1, tan A into cot A equal to, sorry? What is saying? No, like they are asking me to do it. So it was taught well, right? Physics for you? It was taught well, right? No. Previously, Sir was there, no? He was taught you well, right? Light and electricity. But I was again asked to teach you. Anyway, it's good for you, right? Sin A into cosecant A equal to 1, cos A into secant A equal to 1, tan A into cot A equal to 1. Okay, go on. So also we have solved some problems yesterday. Okay, let's say example, tan A equal to 4 by 3. If tan A equal to 4 by 3, then what are other ratios? Let's say sin A cos A. Sorry? Yeah, we need to take a case of constant. Whenever there is a ratio, we need to consider the constant. So multiplication constant. So first you are using Pythagoras theorem. So what is the opposite side value? EC is 4K. It is 3K. So opposite side value is 4K, adjacent side value is 3K, and the hypotenuse value is 5K. So now you can get the sin A cos A Right. Harry, do that sum. See his book, notebook. Tan A equal to 4/3. Then you need to find out other ratios. So sin square A, yeah, plus cos square equal to 1. Okay. So what are other two relations, Kaushik? Huh? C square A, tan square equal to next one. So 6 square A. Can you prove? Let's say you know this one. Already we have proved it this one. Can you prove the second one? How to prove this one? Rohit? Ratios? Secant square A minus tan square equal to 1. Did you get it? The tan A 4/3? Huh? 5K is what? What answer? K value is? K value is 5. What is the 5K? What is reciprocal? Can you say it? Yeah. Can you show it to me? No. So, is that right? Show to me. 5K is hypotenuse. So now you find out other trigonometric ratios. Tan A is given, right? So what is sin A now? Wrong, huh? Got it, right? Sin A is what? Say that's some only. Tan A is 4/3. What is sin A now? Got it? Do the next one also. Cosecant square A minus cot square equal to. Sin A is what? Sin A is what by what? So what is the opposite side value? 4K. Adjacent side value? Then what is the sin A? So hypotenuse is 5K. So what is sin A now? Sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse. So 4K by 5K, 4 by 5. Hypotenuse is how much? 4k by 5k is how much? Hey, hurry. Then what you are telling? Confusing. You got it right? Sin square a plus cos square equal to 1. Secant square a minus tan square equal to 1. Cosecant square a minus cot square equal to 1. Or one thing is, let's say secant square a minus tan square a. We need to prove that 1. Okay. What is secant square a? 1 by cos a whole square. Right? Minus sin square a by cos square a. Right? So cos square a by 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. Cos square a by cos square a equal to 1. This is one proof. Okay. And one more thing is, we need to prove that now secant square a minus tan square a equal to 1. That is already we proved, right? Now cosecant square a minus cot square a equal to 1. What is cosecant square a? 1 by sin square a. Cot square a is cos square a by sin square a. So now sin square a 1 minus cos square a. 1 minus cos square a is sin square a. Got it? So this is the one way of the proof. One more. What is the one more way? The way that you did it. One more way is, let's say sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Yeah. So now divide this one with the sin a. Divide this one with the sin a. Sin square a. This is equal, right? We are dividing left side of sin square a. So sin square a by sin square a will be 1. Cos square a by sin square a is cot square a. 1 by sin square a will be cosecant square a. Cosecant square a minus cot square a equal to 1. This is one more way. So to solve the other one, take a sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Now we need to divide with cos square a. Right? Now what will happen? Sin square a by cos square a will be tan square a. Cos square a plus cos square a will be 1. 1 by cos square a will be secant square a. So secant square a minus tan square a equal to 1. Got it? So you can prove in 3 ways. So that is from first principles. What you did is from the first principles. Okay. Hari, got it? What's happening here? You don't understand, ask me. You don't understand, yeah? So we have already proved that sin square a plus cos square equal to 1. Right? So also there are secant square a minus tan square equal to 1. Cosecant square a minus cot square equal to 1. So now we want to prove this. We should prove that these are equal to 1. So what is the secant square a? 1 by sin a. So 1 by sin a whole square is, sorry, 1 by cos a, sorry, 1 by cos a. Okay. 1 by cos a. 1 by cos a whole square will be 1 by cos square a. Tan a will be, tan a is sin a by cos a. Right? So tan square a will be sin square a by cos square a. So now cos square a is common in the denominator, right? So if you do a LCM, then 1 minus sin square a by cos square a. So 1 minus sin square a will be cos square a, because sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square a equal to cos square a. Cos square a by cos square a equal to. So you proved that secant square a minus tan square a equal to. So like that we can prove for cosecant square a minus cot square a equal to 1. Cosecant square a will be 1 by sin square a, because cosecant a equal to 1 by sin a, right? So cosecant square a will be 1 by sin square a. Cot a will be cos a by sin a. So cot square a will be cos square a by sin square a. So sin a is common in the denominator. Again it will come 1. So one more way is, you know that sin square a plus cos square equal to 1. Divide both sides with the sin square a. Then what will happen? 1 plus cos square a by sin square a will be cot square a. Again 1 by sin square a will be cosecant square a. So if we take cot square a that side, cosecant square a minus cot square a equal to 1. So now divide with the cos square a. Same sin square a plus cos square a with cos square a. Now sin by cos will be tan. Tan square a plus 1 equal to 1 by cos square a will be secant square a. Now brought to tan square that side. Then secant square a minus tan square a will be 1. Yeah. Cos square a will be 1 by secant square a. Secant square a will be 1 by cos square a. So if x equal to 1 by y, y will be 1 by x. That's valid. Okay, good question. X equal to 1 by y, then y equal to. So these are some identities. Sorry? Yeah. Secant square minus tan square will be 1. So if a equal to okay, but so in the class you were taught what is sin 30, sin 60. Sin 90. So they did the proof also. How sin 30 came, how sin 60 came. Math book is there, huh? Give me. They didn't give a proof. Oh. So do this sum, okay? Given that cot theta equal to 7 by 8. So now you need to find out 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. How to do this one? First find the sides. So you will find the sin theta and cos theta. Okay, so what is the cot theta is 7 by 8. 7k by 8k. Then what is the hypotenuse? 64 plus 49. Is it not coming? It's not a perfect square. How much is 64 plus 49? 113. It's not a perfect square. What's the way to do it now? So easiest way, uh, yeah, the easiest way to easiest way to do is that. Okay, what is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta? 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta will be cos theta. 1 cos square theta. Sin square theta equal to cot square theta. So already cot theta is given as 7 by 8. Cot square theta will be 7 by 8 whole square equal to 49 by 8. Got it? So next sum is prove that 8. Okay, prove that 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a equal to cos square a minus sin square a. 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a equal to cos square a minus sin square a. How to prove this one? One plus sin square a by cos square a LCM, then cos square a minus sin square a by cos square a, cos square a plus sin square a by cos square a, cos square a cos square a cancelled out, cos square a plus sin square a will be 1. So numerator will be cos square a minus sin square. What, Hari? Sorry? Yeah, exercise. Exercise. Cos square cancelled out, no? Yeah. Cos square plus sin square will be 1, no? Denominator. Done? Got it? These are all identities only. 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square equal to cos square minus sin square. So cos square plus sin square equal to 1, right? So cos square minus sin square equal to 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. Okay. So do you have sin 2a, cos 2a? These are also there. There. So sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. These are there. These identities are there. Not there. Oh, those are not there. Okay, so there is a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, so right angle is at B. It is right angle at B, and tan A is given as 1 by root 3. So if it is right angle at B means, let's say you can take A, B, C, right? And given that tan A equal to 1 by root 3, or take it as for convenience this one, A, B, C. Okay. Given tan A equal to here A, tan A equal to 1 by, so means 1 here, K here, root 3K here. So then the hypotenuse will be 2K, right? 2K, correct? So now, where is angle C? Angle C. This is angle C. How much is angle B? 90. So we need to find out sin A into cos C. Sin A into, what is sin A? Sin A is 1 by 2. Clear? What about cos C? Cos C is 1 by 2. Cos C is 1 by 2. Okay, cos C 1 by 2. So sin A into cos C will be 1 by 4. Right? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will be 1 by 4. Right, Kaushik? So you need to properly see. Okay, Rohit. Cos C will be adjacent by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse is sin or cos? Cos or sin. Today you are sleepy, huh? Prepared for? Sorry? You prepared for only physics, huh? Generally you prepare and come, huh? Every class. What you prepare? What you prepare and come? Oh, revise, huh? So what did you revise for physics yesterday? Huh? Then nothing is there, no? Oh, you are saying you didn't revise your math. Oh, then you will revise, huh? Anyway, these two you revise 1 and 2 on Monday, right? Monday there will be math class, no? Monday, da. Tomorrow is physics. Physics we are tomorrow starting light. Okay. So understood, no? Sin A into cos C will be 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. Cos A into sin C will be cos A into sin C. Cos A means root 3 by 2, 3 by 4. So cos A into sin C will be 3 by. So now sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C will be 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 equal to 1. Sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C will be 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 equal to 1. So this is valid for sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C equal to 1 is identity. So it is valid for any right angle triangle. For any right angle triangle, this equation is valid. This identity is valid. So also, have you taught the sin A plus B? Or to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B? These are not there. Okay. So generally, this is the identity. Okay. Now here, sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C will be sin of A plus C. Right? So here is A plus C will be 90 degrees because A plus B plus C is 180. Angle B is 90 degrees. So A plus C will be 90 degrees. Right? 90 plus 90 equal to 180. Right? So A plus C must be 90. So sin 90 will be 1. That's why it's coming 1. Okay. But I think these are not there, no, for you. Sin A plus B is not there. Not there. So the value of tan A is always less than 1. Is it right or not? The value of tan A is always less than 1. No, right? It's not always. So the value of sin A is always less than 1. The value of sin A is always less than 1. Less than or equal to 1. It can't be. Sin A. Less than or equal to 1 or less than 1. Huh? So sin A value varies from where to where? So hypotenuse value will be always more than hypotenuse. It will be less than 1, right? Right? Hypotenuse will be always more than, greater than. So sin A will be always less than 1. Cos A also will be always less than 1. So tan A will be, it can be more than 1 or it can be less than 1. So what about secant A? Secant A will be always more than 1. Cosecant A also will be always more than 1. Can sin theta be 4 by 3? Can sin theta be 4 by 3? No. So it can't be 3 by 4. Can cos theta be 4 by 3? Can tan theta be 4 by 3? Can tan theta by 3 by 4? Can tan theta equal to 1? Can theta equal to 1? When will be tan theta equal to 1? When will be tan theta equal to 1? If tan A equal to 1, so then adjacent side and the opposite side will be equal, right? When adjacent side and opposite side are equal, then tan theta equal to 1. So that implies angle A will be so this side and this side are equal, right? So this is 90. So then this angle also will be equal only. So then what are the angles? 45, 45. Right? So this is, let's say x, this is also x. From that we can say that tan 45 equal to what? Okay. So here tan theta equal to x by x, right? Equal to 1, theta equal to here 45 degrees. What, Rohit? So what are the things that we learned today? Ratios, and then so what are the identities? Uh, Cosecant square minus cot square equal to 1. So what else we have learned? So 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equal to 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Also we have learned one plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta equal to cot square theta. Right? So if tan theta equal to 1, then what is the theta value? Tan theta 45. Tan theta equal to 1. Not no. So if sides are equal, then the hypotenuse will be, so here we are saying xx, right? So here, okay, let's take this is 45. So 45 means the sides are equal. So if sides are equal, this will be square root 2 times of x. X square plus x square is 2x square. If you do root, square root of 2 into x. So here sin 45 will be 1 by root 2. Cos 45 will be, tan 45 will be 1. That's how we do proof for 45, 30, 60. Okay. Monday class I will teach. But today we close, huh? But today we close. So tomorrow we'll do physics. Okay. Kaushik, as much as possible, come offline. Yeah. Okay, try it. As much as possible. What a hurry.